Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As I stated earlier in my previous tutorial, we are going to do the picking for my heart your home. So it's actually going to be a brief tutorial. So we are just going to stick to the key D. My capo is on the 2nd fret, so our first note, the do note, is going to be on the 3rd fret on the 2nd string. That's going to give us the D. So your thumb is going to take the top 3 strings. I think I have tutorials on picking pattern, but let me take you through briefly. So I'm actually going to use from the 5th string, 4th, then so I'll use the thumb for the 5th and the 4th string. 1 2. So I'll 1 2, then index. Make sure your index is right beneath the 3rd string. Your middle finger is also beneath the 2nd, and your ring finger is beneath the 1st string. So 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, then so C, G, A minor, E minor, F. Okay, I think I'll get the one we are playing. So we are going to pick from 5th string. My heart, your home, be everything. So there are some chords like the F, I think D as well, that you have to start from the 4th string. Or if you're playing the F, you're using the bar for the full thing, that's fine. But I prefer using the 4th string downwards. So come make my heart your home, come and be everything I am and all I know. So this actually comes with practice. I don't really have a regular pattern that I'm using for the picking, so just make sure you are able to understand the arrangement of the fingers. So the index under the 3rd, middle under the 2nd, the ring finger under the 1st string. So basically like this. So come and be everything I am and all I know. Since I'm going to stay on the G chord, I'm going to pick just the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string. So try picking this way as a practice, so you'll be able to get the pattern and the flexibility and be able to create your own picking patterns around it. So that's basically it. If you have any comments, any questions, any difficulty in it, just let me know and I'll make another video for more clarity. Thank you for watching this video this far, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, and give a like. Thank you. See you another time.